imagine 3 elevators. The first elevator, you hit the button. It's on the 10th floor, you're on the first floor, you want to go to the 10th floor. Imagine the first elevator. You hit the button, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Done. That's an elevator that works. Would you push that elevator button again? 100%. Now there's a second button to the second elevator. You hit the button, 10, what? It goes up a lot slower, but it shows up for you a lot quicker. If you want to get to where you want to go, now you have the regular elevator, and then you have the other one. Which one do you push first? The first one that goes 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, or the second one that goes 10, 1? Which one do you push? Second one. Only if you want to get there faster. Now there's a third elevator. You push that button. 10. 10. 10. It's not moving. Then you have that other person that comes by. You know who they are. That's you. You know, you see 2 people standing by an elevator. You see the button is lit. And then you're that person that has to be like, okay, I gotta do it. And then you push the button, and people are like, really? Did you push it? Right? Now you push that button, and that elevator doesn't even move. 10, 10, 10. Do you ever push that button again? So you get to choose which elevator you want to be. When your kids push the buttons that you created,